This is Brutus. He's around 8 weeks old. American Pit Bull Terrier, blue nose. That's his colors. He's a good little guy. No, Brutus. Likes to chew a lot. I mean, he's not very big now, but hopefully he gets a lot bigger. We just got him dewormed, and his shots are up to date as of right now. I think in about 2 months we're gonna finish up his shots and give him his rabies shots. I mean, let's see. Right now his eyes are, well, they were blue when we first got him. We only had him for a couple days, but he's really nice. Now they're turning green. His dad has yellow eyes, so I think they might become that color. Or, you know, if they stay this color, that'd be cool. Beautiful. Be nice. And yeah. He's a pretty calm dog. Really good temperament. I mean, he follows me like everywhere I go. Aren't you a good boy, Brutus? We're working on the nipping still. He still nips sometimes. He doesn't realize he's gonna grow up to be a monster. I think, what is today? It's a Sunday. This coming Thursday, we're gonna get his ears cropped. Probably do the battle crop. No, Brutus. No. 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 I mean, I read that that's all you can really do. I mean, can't really hit them because that will teach them aggression. No! Brutus, no! Stop it! Look at that. Look at that face. But, yep. I'll post more of these videos, keeping you guys up to date on how big he's getting and how he looks after he gets his ears cropped. Brutus, say hi to the camera. He doesn't really bark. All he does is whine. When he doesn't get on the bed, he whines. We let him sleep with us. Alright. Say bye to the camera, Brutus. Bye.